Hey, look there. What is that?
Come on, Ethan.
Santa Claus. What happened? What is that?
Come on, Ethan. What you see? What you see, man? Did he come on?
No.
Shouldn't have mama. He opened the window.
Turn it on.
Boy, you know how to use that stuff.
Hey, Ethan.
Says stand by on it.
Ethan.
Now, wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, what do you mean?
Open.
Stand by?
Well,
Close.
you should have to push it. There it is.
Hey, go push the doorbell. You got mail. You see your mail? Oh, push a button. Is Ethan's there? Goodness. I'm gonna hear this all day long.